Hi everyone, my name is Kiran Kaur. I am a faculty member at TACE Institute of IT and Telecom Management. At this moment, we all are here to welcome one more new year. May the new year bring you happiness, peace, and prosperity. Wishing you a joyous 2023. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tati. Wishing you and your family Happy New Year. Thank you. My name is Tati. God, wish you Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Brinda Kaur. I am the student of TACE Institute. I wish you all Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kiran Kaur. I am a student of TACE Institute and it is my pleasure for wishing you a very happy new year. Thank you.
It's someone from TACE Institute wishing you a very happy new year. Thank you.
ਮੈਂ TACE ਇੰਸਟੀਚਿਊਟ ਦਾ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਵੇਂ ਸਾਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
Hello everyone, my name is Majitha. I am student of TACE Institute. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Linda Kaur. I am a student of TACE Institute. Wish you all Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Gurpreet. I am student of TACE Institute. Wishing you a very happy new year. Thank you.
My name is Jasmita Kaur from TACE Institute. I wish you a very happy new year. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Singh and I am a student of TACE Institute. Wishing you a very happy new year. Thank you.
My name is Nandini. I am student of TACE Institute. May this new year brings lot of joy, happiness and good health. Happy New Year.
My name is Palak. I am student of TACE Institute. Wish you and your family Happy New Year. Thank you.
मेरा नाम प्रभात है। मैं TACE इंस्टीट्यूट का विद्यार्थी हूँ। आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से नए साल की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
Hello friends, my name is Reena. I am student of TACE Institute. Wishing you and your family Happy New Year. Thank you.
My name is Kanya Sharma. I am a student of TACE Institute. Wish you all Happy New Year. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम उमर शर्मा है और मैं TACE इंस्टीट्यूट की स्टूडेंट हूँ। आप सबको नए साल की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
My name is Harpreet Kaur. I am a student of TACE Institute and wish you a happy new year.
Hello, my name is Suhail Singh. I am a student of TACE Institute. Wish you a happy new year. Thank you.
I am a student of TACE Institute. Wish you Happy New Year. Thank you.
My name is Ajay Kumar. I am student of TACE Institute. Wish you Happy New Year. Thank you.
मेरा नाम शिखा है और मैं TACE इंस्टीट्यूट की स्टूडेंट हूँ। आपको और आपके पूरे परिवार को नए साल की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
My name is Simran Kaur. I am a student of TACE Institute. Wishing you a very happy new year. May your all dreams come true. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rahul Raman, student of TACE Institute. Wish you all Happy New Year. Thank you.
Wish you a very happy new year.